I'll pick up Tanya first, and then off to Lone Wolf for the fights. Yeah, you. Ooh, like a free couch. Nice. Oh, 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 oh. Wherever they're going, I guess. Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah. I gotta turn it up. Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, okay, now I can, yeah. I saw it. I had to bob and weave, but I saw it. I did. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Oh, did it yell at you? It's a battery row. Low battery. She's so nice though. I know, she's like, oh, did she say, hey Roger, your battery's very low. You need to plug it in. I think we can park up front, but the parking for the cars is in the back. Oh yeah, she'll cut off. She did. I forgot to charge mine the other day and it did the same thing. Look at all these guys. The combat vets. I think so. Yeah, where are they going? Where's she going? I'm flying solo now. It's just me.
I had a low battery.
Me against the world. Oh, that's a nice tractor. Blum, 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 blum. Yeah. Well, what time is it?
Walk by every night, talking sweet and looking fine. How's it kinda hectic inside? Baby, I'm so into you. Darling, if you only knew all the things that flow through my mind.
No problem. Just rush hour.
Yeah. Oh, traffic. Traffic jam. I'm trying to get out of town. Oh, 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 oh. Oh.
What patch are you gonna put on?
one. I was like, I gotta get that one. Nice car. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah! All right, heading into Lone Wolf. The photos of the fights. Should be a good time. Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be